Hello friends, in this video lecture we will see various characteristics of computer. First characteristic is automation, second one is speed, third one is accuracy, fourth one is the diligence, then versatility, reliability and memory which is also known as storage. ये characteristics एक general basis पे निकाले हुए हैं. In some cases you can have more than these characteristics or less than this. So these are actually general characteristics we have extracted by studying different types of computer. Let's see all these one by one. First one is the automation. So automation is basically related to performing task automatically. अगर कंप्यूटर को हम कोई भी टास्क असाइन कर देते हैं, so after assigning task to computer, उसके बाद कंप्यूटर वो असाइन किया हुआ टास्क ऑटोमेटिकली करता है विदाउट एनी मैनुअल इंटरवेंशन. मतलब जब भी कंप्यूटर असाइन किया हुआ टास्क परफॉर्म करता है तब किसी थर्ड पार्टी का इंटरवेंशन या फिर किसी चीज के मैनुअल इंटरवेंशन की जरूरत नहीं. दैट इज ऑटोमेशन. सेकंड वन इज स्पीड. हमें पता है कंप्यूटर वर्क्स विथ मच हायर स्पीड एंड good accuracy compared to humans while performing mathematical calculations. Computers can process millions of instructions per second. The time taken for various operations is in microsecond or in nanosecond. Then next is the accuracy. We know that computer perform any type of calculation or any type of operation with 100% accuracy. जो हमने मैनुअल इनपुट दिया है उसमें अगर इनकंसिस्टेंसी है या फिर वही एक्यूरेट नहीं है, इन दैट केस यू विल गेट एरर्स. देन डिलीजेंस. हमने स्पीड रिलेटेड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक को देखा. कंप्यूटर कैन परफॉर्म मिलियंस ऑफ कैलकुलेशन पर सेकंड एंड इसका जो यूनिट रहता है वो नैनो सेकंड या फिर माइक्रो सेकंड रहता है और उसमें मिलियंस ऑफ ऑपरेशन और मिलियंस ऑफ कैलकुलेशन परफॉर्म करते समय कंप्यूटर सेम कंसिस्टेंसी और एक्यूरेसी मेंटेन करता है विदाउट एनी फटीग. मतलब विदाउट एनी ओवर टायर्ड एंड इट कैन परफॉर्म those operation with the same consistency and accuracy without losing any concentration. And one more parameter related to diligence is that computer is having memory, that is primary memory, and the secondary memory which is used to store data, and these memories are actually superior to that of the human beings. Then versatility. Versatility means multiple tasks perform करना. It refers to the capability of computer to perform different kinds of works with same accuracy and the efficiency. Then next one is the reliability. Whenever we think about fast and the efficient calculation, then in that case computer is more reliable because it gives consistent result for similar set of data. The next characteristic is memory or the storage. This computer is having two types of memories, primary memory and the secondary memory. That is secondary storage. Computer is having primary memory where data is stored temporarily for processing purpose, and it has secondary memory like hard disk drive or solid state drive and some removable devices like pen drive, SD card, CD, DVD. Okay, these are actually secondary storage or portable storages, we can say. So we stop here. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe, like, and share.